Wait, you thought that you could not get Yankee twist crochet braids because of your alopecia, because of your hair loss, because of your thinning edges or no edges at all? Well, I am here to tell you, you will not believe the results of this crochet style. Yes, in this video, I am going to show you how I used a technique that creates a soft, natural, and realistic finish. Yes, these crochet Yankee twists blend so well. They look like they were done individually. No one will ever know that she had any hair loss in any areas. Again, this technique is absolutely amazing. This style came out lightweight, full, and it's a natural protective style without tension. Yes, look at these Yankee twists that I am installing. This is 12 inches. It's color 1B30. And what I am using my custom frontal. Yes, my custom frontal is going to give her all the coverage that she needs in the front, at the top, on her hairline, around her edges, to make sure that no one will ever know that she has any hair loss. Yes, my custom frontal is affordable, reusable, very easy to use, as easy as 1, 2, 3. It has an adjustable strap that is convenient for any hair size. And oh my gosh, look how easy and simple it is just to install. Yes, and to install these Yankee twists. Oh my gosh, I love working with these Yankee twists. They keep their form, they keep its shape. They're super easy to install. Again, they are lightweight. Yes, you will not even know that they are even on your head, and it feels so natural. Look how small they are. Look at that. You don't see any bulky knots. This hair is amazing. If you have not tried the Yankee Twist crochets, you need to try them. I guarantee you'll love them. This style came out absolutely amazing. Again, look how easy it is to install on my custom closure. All you have to do is take your latch hook, install your crochet, regardless to whether what kind of crochets you are using. My custom frontal and my custom closure, you can use the Yankee twist crochets, the boho crochets, box braids, Senegalese twists. It does not matter. You can install any kind of crochet braid hairstyle with my custom frontals and my custom closures. Again, they are super easy to install, as easy as 1, 2, 3. They are DIYs. Yes, DIY, do it yourself. That's how simple it is. So as you can see here, I'm just going to continue filling in her Yankee twist, and this style is just about finished. Voila! Look at that hairline. Look at those edges. Look how full this looks, but how lightweight it is. It's versatile. She can wear a left side part, a right side part, a middle part. She can pull it back off of her face if she like. I mean, this style is so versatile. Try it, you'll love it. Get your order in for my custom closure or frontal. You know, sometimes when you are suffering from hair loss, it's very easy to lose hope. It's like you feel like your confidence is gone and you may never get it back again. But healing doesn't always mean your hair growing back. Sometimes healing is just finding a style that makes you feel good again, that makes you feel good about yourself. And that's what I'm doing for my client today. As you can see, she does have some severe hair loss, and I am creating a beautiful style for her. Yes, these results are going to be shocking because she herself never thought that she could get a style like this. I used a net, and that was to protect her natural hair. And right here, ladies, I am using my custom closure. Yes, this custom closure is perfect for anyone with alopecia, hair loss, thin hair, thin edges, bald edges, no edges at all. This is going to give you the natural look that you have been waiting for. With this, you can wear any style that you choose. Yes, this is the hair that we're going to be using, and yes, I am going to be doing a full sew-in hair weave for my client. This is a style that she's been wanting for so long, and because of the severity of her hair loss, she thought she would never be able to get this style again. But these results are going to be shocking. We are going to see, yes, if I can pull this off. Can I make this look natural for her without using any glue? Yes, I can. So again, getting her confidence back, making her feel good about herself is what I wanted to do. And yes, the goal was accomplished. Look at this beautiful style. Look how gorgeous this came out. It is absolutely natural looking. It is a full sew-in weave with no glue. Yes, ladies, if you are interested in ordering my custom closure, tap the link in the description below. It will take you to my website and you can get your order in today. And with this closure or with my frontal, you too can wear any beautiful style that you choose. Look how gorgeous this looks. My client was so happy. She was so happy that she was crying. And that just makes me feel good that I can help those who thought they could never wear a style again.